Located in Magnolia, this custom home is listed at $869,500 and features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 3,785 square feet, and sits on just over half an acre. Now let's head inside and see what $869,500 can get you here in Magnolia, Texas. Here we are, guys, with this beautiful front elevation. Lots of space here to park alongside your 3-car garage. Walking up, you have beautiful greenery here. Your exterior will be made out of this stone and wood boarding. Take a look at this height of your front covered porch. You will have a Ring camera and this beautiful oak door with glass windows letting in plenty of natural light. Now, when you walk in, it is gonna have an open concept, so everything will be connected. But before we get to that, you will have a work from home office with these glass French doors and box molding. If you work from home, this would be very well utilized. And then on this side, you guys will have a built-in mudroom already with some shelving space, coat hangers, access to your 3-car garage through here. And that side door will lead out to your side yard. And then the last room found here is gonna be this bathroom, a half bath for your guest. And now we can get into the exciting part, which is gonna be your living room. Take a look at this living room. You're gonna have box molding on the supporting beam, lots of natural light, and you will have a gas and electric fireplace actually, with this stacked stone veneer. Lots of wood accents all around with those floating shelves. These navy teal cabinets on this side. And then if we take a look at the kitchen, you're gonna have this weathered down brown for your island, which will be made out of quartz, a farmhouse sink there, and as well as 2-tone cabinets, white on this side. Super elegant. And you'll find this little wet bar area over here and your pantry right here, which will have lots of shelving all around. These cabinets will be soft closed as well, right there. And then right next to it is gonna be your formal dining / breakfast area. Take a look at this pendant light fixture, and you're gonna find box molding all across this house, as I'm sure you've noticing. Now here you get lots of views to your backyard. Let's go ahead and take a look. Because you are sitting on just about half an acre lot, you do have some mature trees in the back, and it is at an elevation, so your water, whenever it rains, will be draining that way, away from the house. Take a look at this beautiful covered patio, guys. You get these accented trim around the wood board. Very spacious covered patio. We turn around, you have these tile leading into your fire pit, which is located right in the center of your backyard, surrounded with the trees that provide a lot of shade. You have left neighbor with a similar sized lot. They have a pool. If you want to go ahead and add one, you definitely have the space to do so here. And take a look at this back elevation, just as beautiful as the front. And you actually have this strip over here of side yard where that garage door was leading into. One thing I do want to mention real quick is this very well utilized space here right next to the island. You have outlets underneath there as well. Now your primary will be located behind the kitchen. Take a look at this very spacious, again, box molding accented wall towards the back. Good amount of natural light, tray ceilings, and this will be your primary bathroom. Through these French doors, you will have a dual sinks with an abundance of weathered down brown cabinets. You also have floating shelves on either side of your vanities. And take a look, very nice cabinet. And then here in the corner, you find this stand-up shower with this polished marble going all the way up to the ceiling. These bronze accents. This is beautiful. And it is accessed through this farm sliding door. You have a standalone soak-in tub with a blurred picture window, some shelving space. Now to finish it off, you do have your private toilet there and your walk-in closet with built-in soft close drawers, shelving, places to hang your clothes on both sides. Take a look at that. And you actually have some natural light coming in through this window here. So beautiful bathroom. I really like this design. To the other side of the house, where you're gonna have coat closet there underneath the stairs. And here you will find another bedroom. This is gonna be your second one total with its closet space there. And then next up is gonna be another full bathroom, single vanity. This one will have a similar stand-up shower with black accents, sliding door there, extra shelving. It's beautiful tile all throughout. And your laundry room will be located in the first floor. Now, let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. This whole wall is accented with box molding, super cool. Now, first thing I want to show you guys is off to the right, which will be your own flex room slash man cave. Take a look at this, kind of like a private loft that you can use for whatever you like. You have some natural light. You can convert this into a theater room, a media room, a studio, a home gym, and it actually comes with a very nice size closet. Take a look at that. Not only one, but you actually have a second one on this side. Now here is gonna be another full bathroom. This will be the first tub shower combo we find. And your third bedroom total. Closet space there. This one has a very nice view to your half-acre lot there. Next up is gonna be another flex space that you can use for whatever you may need. This could be your second living area, home gym area. You can even close this off, make it into a sixth bedroom. You have box molding, views to your back, and it even comes with a small coat closet already included. And here you can take a look at the design up by the stairs as well as your front entrance. Now over here is gonna be your fourth bedroom. Again, very good size. This one's gonna be taking a look at the front yard, right above the driveway. And let's get to that. This will be your fifth and final bedroom. And in the middle is your fourth bathroom. And real quick guys, one thing I forgot to mention is that these recessed lights have a night feature. If we go ahead and turn them off and turn it back on, they have this dimmed light feature that's just perfect for nighttime to go ahead and wind down. And if you want to go ahead and go back to the other one, you turn it off, let it reset, and then turn it back on. And I want to show you that it's found in the bedrooms as well. Let's go ahead and reset them. And there we go. Take a look. This comes back to the recessed lighting and how much customization you're going to be able to have. So here you can actually dim these lights to however bright you would like them, shown there. And you can do that with all of these here located in the living room. And if we turn them on, reset, you can actually do that dim lighting effect here in the living room as well. Now guys, that wraps up today's tour. If you would like more information or to schedule a private showing, my information will be down in the description. Give me a call and we can get you started. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.